Why didn't it focus? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Timmy and today we'll be doing a smoky cut crease. And if you want to get this look, just continue watching. Okay, so I'm going in with the concealer to blend in and set the base for our eyeshadow. And then we're going to go in with white eyeshadow to set the concealer. Add tape to shape our eyeshadow. And then we're going to go in with our transition color and sweeping it over our eyelids. And then we're just going to blend our transition color up into our eyebrows. Going in with a darker shade, we're just going to deepen our eyelid on our crease. So now it's important to blend, so we're just blending our darker and lighter colors together. So this part is a very important step. We're going to be cutting our eyelids into a half center cut crease. And take your time on this because this is a very crucial part in making our eyeshadow look good. To mattify our concealer, I'm just going to put the lighter eyeshadow towards the corner of our eyelids. And then shortly after that, I'm going to put the transition color onto the middle eyelid. And to deepen our crease even more, I'm just going to go in with the same color, putting it towards our outer eyelid. With a coppery shade of eyeshadow, we're just going to put it in our middle eyelid. I also figured why not put it over our transition color as well. Gently but effectively, we're just going to blend all the colors seemingly together. So we're just going to put eyeliner for a more cat eye effective look. And then after all that work, you can just pull out all the tape. You don't have to do this step, I just wanted to do it, so we're just going to clean our eyeliner and eyeshadow even more with a concealer. Going in with black eyeshadow, we're just going to marry our eyeshadow and eyelining together. I just thought my eyebrow looked a little bit too light, so we're just going to be darkening our eyebrows. Moving on to our face, we're going to be using the Filt'r Soft Matte by Fenty as the foundation for today. So for our bottom lashes, I want to use the transition color again to have a smokier effect. And then going again with our black eyeshadow, we're just going to line our bottom lashes. Going in with my all-time favorite palette, we're going to use the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette and keeping the white eyeshadow under my eyes. Going in with two darker powder, we're going to define and contour the cheekbones, the jawline, and the nose. Finally, using our ABH highlighter, we're going to highlight the cheekbones, the nose, and the inner corner of our eyelids. Just going to be priming our lips with chapsticks. And then going with one of my favorite lipstick color is Velvet Teddy by MAC. Alright guys, here is the look. Finally, this is the black, white, noir, and if you guys like my video, comment, like, and subscribe for more.